Thank you. That's it.
Can you have a shake, Your Excellency? Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. Sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
You have come to see Mr. President once more, as usual.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, it actually simply was a courtesy call and an opportunity to pay my respects, to His Excellency Mr. President, and also express appreciation for his support of the business environment in Nigeria. We had a warm and cordial conversation, and I used the opportunity to reaffirm BUA's commitment to investing in Nigeria, creating jobs, and supporting the economy, across the various sectors of, BUA. And I remain grateful for the leadership shown by His Excellency, and we will continue to play our part in advancing the economic growth of Nigeria. And I would like to once again thank His Excellency for the opportunity and the privilege of the audience and the warm reception, and it was greatly appreciated. Thank you.
You talked about supporting the economy, particularly, you have said a lot about that in the past. Specifically, which area are you going to support the economy this time around?
Well, in terms of food security, you are aware that BUA is expanding, all our operations across, the various sectors, from flour milling to sugar refining to sugar production. In terms of BIP, backward integration, we are setting up an oil milling in Port Harcourt, feed mill, and noodles plant. So with this, once we complete all these expansion projects next year, BUA Foods is going to be the largest foods business in Nigeria. And, with that, hopefully we'll be able to bring down the price, because at the end of the day, if you are the biggest and you have this huge capacity, you'll be able to help support, prices to come down. Thank you.